Sophie's such a good Boy Scout.
She's not social at all.
Look at her scouting ahead for us, making sure there's no bears. And that the way is clear. And that everything is going to be okay.
She's going to protect us if something happens.
She's going to make a fire and catch us some squirrels for us to eat. Look at her looking at the mountain. It's a good mountain.
She explains us her strategy.
Nope, this is not a good mountain. We have to go back. Nope, this isn't the one. This is Sophie in her natural habitat. Oh, look at me. I'm a spider monkey.
One stab and she's
I'm a wild Sophie. Look at how skilled I am at everything. I can climb this mountain in 3 steps, wearing Vans. Told you.
I'm gonna protect my little friend. She's gonna care about her. Yeah, we'll be safe.
Du musst aber erstmal über die drüber.
Aha, der da.
Lass uns versuchen.
Ja, ich will so
Nee, das Handy lass du in der Tasche.
Da hast du einen Fall.
Ja, eben.
Mach es.
Julia, I am your father. Hey, it's got Sophie. Chill. Okay, there you go. Hello.
Sophie! Sophie!
Du bist einfach wie eine Wendeltreppe.
Tolle Reaktion.
Au.
Richtig geil.
Du bist gegen das Licht.
Mach ich so lange vor. Das ist auch gut, das wurde ich alles nicht das. Mach mal von hier ein Foto. Ja. Foto.
Oh, in die Sauce.